Mama said he's only 60 plus. That's why my grandmother uh, become widow at early age. Not even 60. Not even 60. You know, my mom's family back then, they are one of the richest in our village because my grandfather is really good in rice trading. But since and also it's like he's the type of people that people loves him because he's such a good. Yeah. He even become a village leader for 30 years without him. That's why I said most of the people right now in government are, but back then mother used to be we call it barangay captain for 30 years. He don't receive any salary from the government, only money in helping people. So that's why when those old people in my hometown, if you're going to mention his name, they know him. They know him really well because he's such a good person. And he's been a village leader for 30 years. The only time it stopped is because he got illness. He got sick. That's how. And also my mom's siblings, if they are always talking about my grandfather, it's like compared to my grandma and my grandfather, they love more my grandfather because he's jolly. You don't even see him getting mad. That's how. And and my my grandmother that time they said she's the type of she's not into household but she likes doing man thing, cutting the grass. Um, so it's like those household it's been given to the siblings, to daughters.
My mom's a fixie type person. She done like plumbing. She'll climb up on top of her roof to replace shingles. There wasn't nothing that woman they could not do. Work on her car, fix the engine in her car and stuff. Matter of fact, that's how I learned how to work on cars and copy my mom.
I think that is how also me if I have my own house. But since I always live in a rental house, so I cannot do anything about with the house.
Yeah.
I cannot change. That's why the house in mahogany. Um, when I left there, because it's in the contract, because it's newly renovated, it's in the contract that I should, whatever I change on the house or been damaged. So I still pay for like 10,000 because that time when the air installer installed the AC of the kids, they had to cut the window instead of the putting extra for the AC. So,
Yeah.
but I never thought it's going to be more expensive for me because I had to buy the entire window. That cost me 3,700 I think so or 4,000. I said, oh shit. I should have been on the putting an extra. That's my regret.
At the time, you think when you're doing it with that decision, you think that you're doing it for the better. You don't realize it. But sometimes it's best to go out and do your research before you make those decisions.
And also, I have a thought of, no, maybe we will stay there for quite a long time.
Yeah.
So we only stayed there for like 11 months. Then I had to pay. Then the owner of the house even wanted me to repaint everything. I said, other part of the house is not being damaged. The ceiling, the reason why the paint is damaged is because of the heat or the kind of ceiling that you use.
The really wear and tear of the house.
It's not because I did something on it or I damaged it. So it should be part of the maintenance. I complain. If there's a paint that you need to repair, it's only those at the living room because of those tape from the wall decor that I put or I put a screw. That's all. If I don't complain, maybe it will cost me more. That's all. That's why I said maybe if I'm going to have my own house, I'm also the type of fixing a lot of things, never stop
Yeah.
making the house looks good. But I don't like to.
I always had that thing and be like, even when I was renting, it's like I fixed things up around the house I had and stuff just because I was living there at the time, you know. And it was like I always treated it like it's my own, and that was just my mentality.
Mm.
I said, my ex-wife, she was like, "Why are you doing all of that? We may not be here for
Yes,
you know,
yes.
we here now, so." And this makes me feel comfortable to know that this here is done, or this I got this done for because I thought about this. And then when I move to the next place, if I do the same thing there.
That's why when I move out from that house, the owner of that house even told me, how I wish I can have another because I'm the first one. When she bought that, then renovate, I'm the first one. She even told me, how I wish I can have a tenant like you that keep it clean. The tiles still looks good, looks new. The toilet still looks good. Then what I remember when I'm trying to move, I'm selling my stuff. So I had to go back there. Mama said he's only 60 plus. That's why my grandmother uh, become widow at early age. Not even 60. Not even 60. You know, my mom's family, back then, they are one of the richest in our village because my grandfather is really good in rice